ByteDance just dropped Seedance 2.0 Mini, which generates higher quality results similar to the Seedance standard model but at a lower cost. And you can generate up to 520 videos per month for lifetime, with no need to renew your subscription. Today, I'm going to show you the real comparison between the standard and mini models inside ChatArt AI, so make sure you pay close attention. Without wasting any time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. If you are trying to grow your content or business, you must understand the easiest way to use AI tools and keep yourself updated with the latest technology. This will help you stay competitive in the market. That's exactly why I'm using ChatArt AI. It's your all-in-one AI platform where you get almost every AI feature in one place. As you can see, they are offering unlimited generation, which means your credits won't be consumed during the generation process. They also add new AI tools every week. Recently, they added Seedance 2.0 Mini, which is more affordable than many other AI video models while still delivering high quality and fast results. You don't need to wait long for the generation process. It creates videos quickly and provides impressive output quality. So first of all, click the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, it will bring you here. As you can see, all AI features are available in one place, so you don't need to use multiple AI platforms anymore. You can get everything here. It's also providing viral presets that you can use with your own face to create viral videos instantly. You can find trending video styles here as well. So now, let's come to the main point. Click on Seedance 2.0 Mini. First, let's test text to video. Select the video model, and as you can see, Seedance 2.0 Mini is available here along with all Seedance models, including the VIP model and other video models as well. You can use any of them. I'm selecting the Seedance 2.0 Mini model. Then, I paste my prompt, select the video quality. The Mini model supports up to 720p resolution, so I select that. Next, select the duration to 15 seconds, choose the aspect ratio, and click Generate. Now it starts generating our video. For comparison, I'm keeping the exact same prompt and only changing the video model to Seedance 2.0 standard. Everything else remains the same. One difference you'll notice is that this model supports video generation up to 1080p, but for a fair comparison, I'm selecting 720p and keeping all other settings identical. Now both videos are generating. Let's check them one by one.
2 against 1, really? Using your momentum against her to direct into a leg slope.
You are better than I expected. He improves the longer this continues.
I learn fast.
Together, now!
Yeah, thought so. 2 against 1, really?
You are better than I expected. He improves the longer this continues.
I learn fast.
Together, now.
Yeah, thought so.
Both videos generated great results. Both video models are giving us impressive output. Comment below and let me know which one you like the most. Now let's test with anime videos. I paste my anime video prompt and click Generate. Then I use the exact same prompt for the mini model as well. Both videos are generating now, so let's check the results and compare them side by side.
You leave your left side open every time you grab.
Who trained you?
Myself. Mostly. You leave your left side open every time you grab.
Who trained you?
Myself. Mostly.
The anime results are outstanding. The motion, character movements, and overall quality look really impressive. Honestly, it's difficult to say which one performs better because both models are doing an excellent job here. Seedance 2.0 Mini is generating surprisingly high-quality results, while the standard model is also maintaining great consistency and smooth animation. If I didn't tell you which model generated which video, it would be hard to guess. Now let's check image to video. Click on it and choose all-in-one mode, instead of using first frame and last frame, because Seedance includes the omni-reference feature, so you don't need to rely only on traditional image-to-video generation. I personally recommend using the reference-to-video feature. First, upload your character image, then paste your prompt. The rest of the steps are the same. As you can see, the mini model consumes only 135 credits for a 15-second video, so I click Generate. For a fair comparison, I use the exact same prompt and character image for the standard model as well. This model takes 165 credits for a 15-second video. If you compare it with other platforms, the pricing is still quite affordable because ChatArt is giving around a 15% discount on this model. So I click Generate, and here are the results.
Not today. Come on then. Everyone's safe. Not today. Come on then. Everyone's safe.
Both video models delivered great results. The character stayed consistent across the videos, and both models successfully added multi-camera scenes exactly as we described in the prompt. I think Seedance 2.0 Mini is a great option for people who don't want to spend more credits on the standard model because the standard version consumes more credits, while the Mini model gives very similar quality with only a small difference in output. But the good thing is, you can access both models at a lower cost. ChatArt also offers a lifetime plan where you can get 8,000 plus credits every month, and those credits renew monthly. That means no recurring subscription is required, just a one-time purchase and lifetime access to use AI tools. With those credits, you can generate up to around 520 videos per month, plus create images, songs, and use many other AI features available on the platform. If you want to test it first, you can also check their other plans. I'll provide the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, and if you need any help, let me know in the comments or reach out on our Discord server, where you can get all my used prompts, tutorials in one place, and lots of AI strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.